Hey guys, welcome to Saltable Cooking. Today we are going to see mango and coconut mixed laddu, which is really different but very delicious. So do try this recipe. For that we are going to take a mango pulp. I have taken one medium sized mango and then 1 cup of grated coconut or coconut flakes. Let's start the preparation. In a heated pan, add some 1 or 1.5 spoon of butter or ghee is okay. Let's wait for the butter or ghee to get melted. So it's almost melted. So now it's time for us to add the grated coconut or coconut flakes. I have added 1 cup of coconut flakes for one medium sized mango pulp. You can adjust the quantity of the grated coconut according to the mango pulp that you are going to take. Also make a measurement of 1:1 ratio, like 1 cup of mango pulp equal to 1 cup of grated coconut, because the taste is going to enhance only. So transfer the roasted coconut flakes or grated coconut to a bowl, so that you don't fry it too much to make it into dark brown. You can use the same pan. So in the same pan, just heat it and add 2 spoons of butter or ghee of your choice and wait until it gets melted. So now it's melted. I'm going to add the 1 cup of mango pulp and stir it well. So now we are going to add 1 cup of milk. Stir it nicely as and when you are adding the milk parallelly, so that it is not making us very tough for mixing it or getting mixed fully. So now I'm just mixing it as and when it is added. Quantity of milk is also 1:1 ratio, like 1 cup of mango pulp, 1 cup of grated coconut and 1 cup of milk. You can adjust according to your taste. Now we are going to add 2 cups of sugar and mix it while we are adding. Mix it well. I didn't add cardamom to the sweet, but if you wish to add, you can add it after the sugar is added, and mix it well. So the mixture is all done now. We are going to cook until it turns very thick. That you stir it continuously. Anyways, it is not going to take much time. So see how thick it is turning as the time goes, and it starts boiling right now. We are going to stir until it turns into the alwa consistency, and gradually it will stop sticking onto the pan itself. It stops sticking, so it means that it is almost going to get over. See how thicker it has become. If you don't want to add coconut, you can also stop at this point of time and transfer it to a bowl, and you can cut it into pieces or can make it as a laddu. Even that sweet is going to taste amazing. So now it has come to this alwa consistency. You can see it is not sticking. So now we are going to add the fried grated coconut or coconut flakes, and now mix it well. When you are mixing itself, you could see it is not going to stick to your pan. It is absolutely non-sticky, and the sweet is almost ready. Now we are going to take the small amount of the mix and make it into, or roll it into, the shape as you wish. I'm going to make it in a round shape. So just roll it by greasing your hand with butter or ghee. See how cute it is. Yeah, so now it is done. So we are just going to roll it in the coconut flakes. Once the rolling is done, I'm just using a pista for a decorative purpose. You can use any nuts of your wish. Instead of this round shape, even you can transfer the mixture to a bowl and give it a press and let it settle for 2 hours or so, after which you can cut it into cubes or any shape of your choice, and just roll it in the coconut flakes. And you can also add the nuts on top of it, which gives you a good look as well. So now the super sweet mango dish is ready. If you like this recipe, do try, share, comment and Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon in another episode. Bye.